Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video on mastering remote customer service. In today's digital age, the ability to provide excellent customer service from anywhere has become crucial. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or part of a remote team, these strategies will help you excel in serving your customers remotely. Section 1. Emphasize communication. The foundation of remote customer service is clear communication. Utilize video calls, chat platforms, and emails to maintain effective communication with your customers. Ensure you're easily accessible and responsive to their inquiries. Section 2. Leverage technology. Explore various customer service tools and platforms. Implement chatbots for quick responses, use CRM systems to track customer interactions, and make use of collaboration tools to stay connected with your team. Section 3. Establish trust and empathy. Build trust by demonstrating empathy. Understand your customers' needs, acknowledge their concerns, and provide personalized solutions. A compassionate approach goes a long way in creating lasting relationships. In conclusion, mastering remote customer service involves effective communication, leveraging technology, and fostering trust and empathy. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only provide exceptional service, but also create a positive and profitable remote customer service experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.